Today we are exploring the fascinating world of mandalas, and we are going to create a design of a compass sun. These interesting geometric figures have been used for centuries across various cultures, from Hinduism to Buddhism, as a tool for meditation and spiritual growth. Drawing mandalas offers incredible benefits for the mind and body, promoting relaxation, focus, and stress relief. So grab your pen and let's create some mandalas and bring peace in your life. So, as tools, we're gonna need some pencils, a compass, some rubbers, an angled ruler, and a straight ruler. And I'm gonna need some pens too. I'm gonna use two sizes. So grab your sheet and let's make the design of this sun. I feel it like more of a masculine type of a mandala because all of the lines are very straight. You know, we don't have a lot of curve except for the circles. So I feel it more energetic and fiery as the sun goes, and we're gonna incorporate the symbol of a compass. So let's start. We're gonna begin by finding approximately the middle of our sheet and start creating circles. Fourth circle. This is our fifth circle. Yeah, so we have 5 circles growing. Now we're gonna create the base cross for our mandala. Basically now we are making the construction of the mandala, and we're gonna put some guidelines for 15, 30, 45 and so on degrees. We need these guidelines to continue the structure, so we do it on both sides, up and down of our circle. Now we connect this with the center and the opposite. Well, now we already have a sun. Yeah. So let's start building. I'm gonna take my bigger pencil so you can see easier the lines that I'm drawing. So remember that this is our main cross, and we're gonna use this as a guideline. So here we're gonna create this little shape from here to here and here. These are our first arrows. Now we are continuing to make more arrows. But before this, I want to make one extra circle so we know the end. So these are the 3 dots that we're gonna connect, and make this on the other sides too. These are the 3 new dots for the next tray of our compass sun. And in the middle we're gonna create another one. Just follow the guiding points that I'm showing to you. And now we're gonna make a lot of rays or arrows of the sun, so it's a little bit more dynamic. This is our sun. You see how it's growing and growing. And now is the pens time. I'm gonna start with the thicker one, and I'm gonna emphasize on the shape of the in the middle, so we can see it more easily. And then I'm gonna continue with the smaller size and just outlining the structure of our sun. It's basically the game of light and middle tones and shadows that we're gonna use to create our mandala. I'm gonna rip off a little bit of our structure, and I'm gonna create the circle in the middle. Now a little bit more details, and you can see how it's slowly growing and having a bit of more depth by adding the dots and shades and lines. Feel free if you would like to experiment and make your own design out of this, or just follow along. Dots, more dots. Dots are never enough. As well of rays of light. So as you see, I'm playing by making some parts more darker and some parts lighter. And more dots to outline the outer circle. There are some clouds coming from the window, so you can see the overall image going dark. And the final, I want to add these little circles for the 4 directions. of our compass. These are like little planets, or you can say little suns, or I don't know, name it as you like. And the last one is the time for rubber. And I want to add a little bit of dots in the middle circle so it gets more of a shape, you know. So this is our last piece. I hope you enjoy the making of mandalas. See you soon.